Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether NorthOne is a real bank or a financial technology company. This is a common question, and it's an important distinction to understand. The straightforward answer is that NorthOne is a financial technology company, or fintech, not a bank. So, what does that mean for you? NorthOne provides the user-friendly interface, mobile app, and a suite of tools designed to simplify business banking. However, they don't hold your money themselves. Instead, they partner with a traditional, FDIC-insured bank. In NorthOne's case, their banking services are provided by the Bancorp Bank, N.A., which is a member of the FDIC. This partnership is what allows your deposits to be FDIC-insured up to the standard maximum of $250,000 per depositor. Essentially, NorthOne handles the technology and customer-facing side of things, while their partner bank handles the traditional banking services, like holding and protecting your funds. This model is becoming more and more common in the financial world. It allows fintech companies to innovate and provide a better user experience without having to go through the lengthy and expensive process of becoming a fully chartered bank. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.